Welcome to the new episode of ActiveCollab Recap. We'll show you the new batch editing and subtask options we've developed for the upcoming version. Get all the details in this video. ActiveCollab 8 Batch Edit. The new menu for batch editing your tasks will contain all the options you're used to, but presented in a much improved manner. You'll still be able to select multiple tasks and task lists at once and change their properties. While batch editing, you'll now have the possibility to edit task names individually. In ActiveCollab 8, when batch editing labels, you won't have to worry a newly added label will overrun all the existing ones. Apart from completing more tasks, the new feature will also allow you to move them to another project more easily. ActiveCollab 8 Subtask Due Date. We already talked about adding a due date to your subtask in our previous recaps. Now, we've added the automatic rescheduling feature as well. If a subtask is due on a Monday and its task is on the Friday of the same week, moving the task's due date to the following Friday will also move the subtask's due date to the following Monday. This way, you won't have to spend extra minutes rescheduling assignments. Coming up, this summer we'll keep working on managing properties on the People page and integrating subtasks' due dates further into the app. Keep following ActiveCollab updates.